Well, guys, I had the whole day yesterday after the first impression. I think it sounds right. Whatever. You guys have to check this out, bro. You guys have to check this out, especially if you're a wrestling fan and a Jordan fan and something different fan. That's a lot of fans. Yeah, it is what it is. Jordan 3 El Vuelo coming up, guys. Roll my intro. Roll my intro. What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all good things, guys. I don't know why I did the thumbs up on this one. Oh man, guys, it's just, I think that the more YouTube you do in life, the more nutty you become. Yes, you know what I'm saying? It's just the way it works, guys. I don't understand how somebody could be doing this for 10 years and every single time they come out, it's the same exact impression. Yes, you know, and these are great. I see the other reviewers, bro, and it's like, these guys, I think I'm the one that's perfectly normal over here. Because it's not perfectly normal to be doing years after years reviews. I'm telling you, it's not. I'm telling you, it's not, guys. You're gonna have to have fun speaking to a camera by yourself. So if you think about these type of things, yeah, those people are already gone. They're fried. Ooh, okay, here we go, guys. Let me cut it short. The El Vuelo Jordan 3s. I'm all over the place. It's in the building, and I can't get to the shoes immediately, guys. You guys got to see the presentation. It's nothing crazy, but I just love the fact of it. And it is the whole point of the shoe and the theme of it. Check it out, guys. The whole theme of this actual shoe and the actual box, so you guys can know, it is themed upon Mexican lucha libre. And me, as an actual wrestling fan, that to me is amazing. Mexican lucha libre, guys. You gotta specify it, bro. Lucha libre, lucha wrestlers. They are on a whole different category when it comes to high flying. These guys are something else. So the whole point of this, and when it comes to the font and the style of it, that's what they themed this whole box and the shoe about. You see all the nice Jordan logos with the silhouette in green, the 23, you know, it's just the way it's actually promoted, you know. And right in the bottom right there, it says, Más vale mañana que fuerza. That is a very good detail right there, very good quote. And it says right in the bottom right there in the edge, as you guys can see, en vivo, like it was live, Jordan versus Jordan. It is gorgeous. And on the top right corner, it has the Jordan Sport logo. That is the actual Jordan Sport logo. That is the way it's designed now. On the front of the box, it has the same little logo. In the back, it just says En Vivo, Vale Mañana Que Fuerza, versus Jordan, versus Jordan, versus Jordan. I started with the verses. In the bottom of the box, besides the 1,000 trademark things, you see lightning bolts running through the whole thing with that gradient into orange or green, orange, yellow. Very nice, very beautiful. And you guys can see right there the actual QR codes. Air Jordan 3 Retro Mex for Mexico. The inside of the box, guys, it is just an elephant print paper, nothing crazy. And the shoe does come with 2 extra laces, and that's pretty much it when it comes to the actual presentation. This does not get thrown. I'm keeping this one very nicely safe because I love the presentation of the shoe. By the way, just to get it out of the way, it does have spare laces also, the ones that it comes with from box, that is in white, and it's a rope style, as you guys can see it right there. That's already nice little detail, very clean. I love it. But anyways, guys, yes, it is time to get to the actual shoe, get into this gorgeous shoe that is just gorgeous. I don't know how much more to put it, but you already know how to start this off, guys. The materials and the toe box. The toe box. Yes, this is an important toe box right here, guys. It is not leather. The white that I'm touching right there, it's not leather. It's more like a satin feel to it, and it patterns down. If you go across it, it actually, you feel a texture pushing back on your actual finger. When you go down on it, it's just buttery smooth. Very beautiful look right there. And it has like a sheen, like a shine to it. Very beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. Anyways, guys, you do see 2 layers right there on the actual leather that we'll get to it in just a little bit. And right in front of the toe box, you see like a crocodile skin, or at least print in red. Very nicely sewn. No glue marks, at least in this one. Very little. There is, but very little. And the rest is in white. Staying in the top of the shoe, the actual tongue is actually like a silk type material, nylon type. You see the shoelace holes right there in gold. The shoelace holders are actually in white, and all the way in the top they are in gold. And all the way to the top of the tongue is the same exact material as the rest. And the actual Jumpman logo is, I don't know if it's plastic or it's metal, but it is very hard. Hey! Watch yourself. It's solid. And it is in a very shiny gold. Very beautiful, and it does bulge out. I'm just messing it all up today, am I? Anyways, let's get into the inside of the shoe. Right behind the tongue, it says Más vale mañana. And on the other shoe, that I'm gonna get this out of the way, it does come wrapped like this, guys, in an actual paper. Let me take this out right here. It says Que Fuerza sewn on in green on the other shoe. The whole inside is in white. The insole is in all red with the green Jumpman logo right in the heel. Going to the side of the shoe, very beautiful, and that's where that double thread leather comes in. You see that white leather that comes across the whole shoe all the way to the end in the alligator print in white. And this is what actually resembles the Lucha Libre mask. All the luchadores, they have that type of pattern, like Rey Mysterio. It's not identically the same, but it's actually the theme of it. That right there is beautiful. Very nice detail. I love it. So you guys can see it right there, and it's very nicely sewn into the shoe. It's gorgeous, guys. It's gorgeous. Well, the bottom piece, guys, is in that same type of material as the toe box, if you want to say it like that. It actually has that, it's like a nylon feel. Right in the back of the shoe, you see the red right there with the alligator print as well. And right in top by the ankle collar, you see the green in the alligator print. You see the Jumpman logo in gold, very nicely sewn and detailed. I'm not gonna lie about that. It's pretty actually good detailed. And the whole piece where it's actually where the Jumpman is at is the same material as the toe box, just so you guys can have a reference. The top is actually more like a rubber leather type of thing, or synthetic. I don't know what it is, guys. Going into the midsole of the shoe, beautiful white, and right as starting in the center, you see that glossy white paint going all the way through. It is gorgeous, man. What a contrast they did on this sneaker. The air bubble inside is in white. Going into the sole of the shoe, beautiful pure money white as well, with the toe in red, and it has the Jordan logo in green, guys. Yes, very beautiful. I'm getting it out of the way immediately. The way that they did this shoe is amazing. Jordan, I've been rough with Jordan. I've been rough with the Jordan brand for a minute now. For the simple fact that I have not been satisfied with what they have done. I'm not satisfied with the simple fact that there's no new type of innovation, and all they keep bringing up is these colors wearing down the brand and bringing back these old school retros and horrible quality. That's just the way I think about it. Whether you agree or not, guys, it's my channel, my opinion. It is what it is. So, and that's what people are here to look at, my opinion. People come over here and they start giving me their opinion. I never asked you for your opinion. That doesn't make any sense. Why would I give my opinion on my channel? I'm the one doing YouTube, and they're coming over here and they're trying to convince me otherwise when I'm the one doing this. Once again. But hey, that's the world we live in. Guys, you're not gonna fix stupid. Remember that. Anyways, back to the point. The whole point of this is how great this has been. This is what I'm looking forward to when it comes to the actual Jordan brand. And no, I'm not the sugarcoating type to, just play along, to exploit people and keep bringing them garbage just for views. Or I'm honest, or I just don't do this at all. Honesty is what you're gonna get from me. From me. I've always said it. You want fake, go see the fakes. Go see those cats that keep giving you the same garbage over and over and over and over. And you like it, and you like it, and you more like it. You know what I'm saying? Your problem, not mine. Don't care about your situation or what's going on in here. I'm honest. Jordan has not done anything, oh my God, since the Jordan 40, and finally bringing something with a nice design, something different on an old ass shoe. This is dope as hell, guys. Whether you agree with me or you don't, like I said, I don't care. This is the Hiranina. So now we get to the sizing, besides my little rant right there. When it comes to the sizing, guys, true to size. Runs great, runs beautiful. I love it. Of course, Jordan 3, the most comfortable Jordan. And at least in my case, it is my favorite Jordan silhouette of all times. So yes, stick with true to size. When it comes to style, come on, man. If you hate on this, you already know where you are, bro. You're a hater. You're a hater. Swagless. That's all you are. Swagless. Remember, guys, swag is not the way you dress. You could be wearing all those parachute pants that everybody's wearing. Swag is the way you carry yourself. That's swag. When you truly don't care what nobody else thinks. Let me point at myself. Yes, I'm gonna tweet my own horn. I don't give a crap. This is fly as hell. Beautiful sneaker. I love it all the way through. Man, what more can I say? Like I said, once again, big shout out to all my Lucha Libre enthusiasts, wrestling fans per se. Mexico, big shout out. Hey, my right hand man is a Mexican. So it is what it is, guys. Yes, the real deal. Holyfield right here. The Jordan 3 El Vuelo. Yes, that's a nice one to even end the video. But anyways, guys, that's all I have for today. Till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best, and expand that mind, please. Peace. El cohete.